here. I'm gonna be doing a video. I was asked to go ahead and do a inside cabin demonstration of the Thermal R&D exhaust system. So I got my GoPro here mounted on the inside, so I'm just gonna do a full normal mode driving so you guys can hear how it sounds, you know, under normal driving. Slight drone in the inside, and this is due because I have a Catless downpipe, so this has a lot to do with it. So if you do hear a lot of drone, then that's because that's how it is. That's because of the Catless downpipe. But other than that, I find it that it's, you know, quite, you know, down on the drone compared to any other exhaust like the Borla, which is, you know, if you have a Catless downpipe, it's gonna sound, you know, obnoxiously loud and vibrations and whatnot. So so here I'm driving already. I'm around 40 miles per hour. The drone starts to pick up like around 1500 RPMs to 2000, and if you go a little bit higher than that, then you'll start hearing more and more the drone. But as you start changing gears, it starts coming down. I'm already about 50 miles per hour in, so it's about, give or take, about 5th gear or 6th gear under normal mode. Doesn't sound that bad, if you guys can see, you know. So I'm gonna start accelerating just a little bit. This is under normal driving. I'm not gonna go ahead and floor it, but this is, you know, under regular acceleration. So that's about 70 miles per hour under normal acceleration. I'm also gonna be doing sport mode, so you guys can see it's a little bit more aggressive. As you know, the RPMs go much higher on every gear, so you're gonna hear the drone even more on sport mode. And if you have it on eco mode, you're not gonna hear it at all. I don't want to do eco mode on the video. That's because I'm tuned. I have a dual tune, so on eco mode I'm on stage 1, and on normal mode I'm on stage 2, and sport mode is also a stage 2 as well. Under normal mode, of course, it's going to have less drone and less responsiveness than it is on the sport mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a U-turn here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a silent and just go down, you know, from 0 all the way to all the gear shift under normal mode. Where I can go ahead and do a U-turn. Here it is. Alright. So here under normal acceleration, guys. There, as you saw, I accelerated a little bit, 3,000, 4,000 RPMs, so you guys can see it, but that's how that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it down to sport mode and give you guys a little taste of what it sounds inside the cabin when you're in sport mode. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it now. We're at about 30 miles per hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, take off from here. I let the computer do everything. I'm gonna do some manual shifting, paddle shifting, so you guys can also enjoy that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and slow down here, downshifts. All right, we're all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and try to give it a high rev on each gear so you guys can go ahead and hear it. mount the GoPro on the rear of the vehicle, so you guys can go ahead and get a taste of the actual exhaust close up with a GoPro closer to the actual exhaust in itself. So let's go ahead and get that. I'm not going to be talking, of course, because the GoPro will be all the way in the back, so I'm just going to give you some clips and then we'll go ahead and wrap this up. All right guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Let's roll. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.